Hello children, welcome back to my channel. I am dealing with 6th class maths 8.2 exercise. 4th problem, 3 sums I have done already. Now 4th problem. The 4th problem here it says that the following pictograph shows the number of students have cycles in 5 classes on 5 classes of a school. So they have given classes here and a number of cycles. So 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th. And these are the cycles. The questions are given here. So let us see here. 6th class. First what you have to do? You write the number of cycles. So first one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cycles are there. 7th class, there are 10 cycles. 8th class, there are 9 cycles. 9th class, there are 12 cycles. 10th class, there are 7 cycles. So if you write this number, it will be easy for you to solve the problem, children. So now the question is, answer the following questions based on the pictograph given above. So which class students have the maximum number of cycles? So here out of this maximum is 12, that is 9th class. Which class students have the minimum number of cycles? Very less, that is 6th class. And which class students have 9 cycles? 9 cycles, which class? 8th class. And which class, what is the total number of cycles in all? That means you have to add all this 5, 10, 5 plus 10 plus 9 plus 12 plus 7, that is 43. So this is the answers. These are all the answers, children. Fifth problem, children. The sale of television sets of different companies on a day is shown in the pictograph given below. See, scale is what? One picture gives you 5 televisions. So A, B, C, D, E, these are all the different companies. So each figure is dealing with one figure means 5 sets. So let us write first the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sets means 5 into 5, 25 sets are there sold. And here 2 are there. 2 into 5, 10. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 into 5, 40. It's only 1, that is 5. 3 into 5, 15. Now let us see the questions. How many TVs of company A were sold? Company A, how many sold? 25. Which company's TV are people more crazy about? Means more number of TVs are sold. 40, that is C. Next, which company sold 15 TV sets? That is E. And which company had least number of sales? That is D. So this is about 5th problem, children. Now 6th one. Monthly salary of 5 workers are shown in the pictograph given below. Means what is the scale? 1 rupee note is equal to 1000 rupees. Workers' names are given here. Ramesh, Vilas, Venkat, Dinesh, Sachin. And these are the rupees that they have given, the picture of note. So let us first calculate how much each one salary is. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 are there. 8 into 1000, 8000 is the salary of Ramesh. And Vilas 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 into 1000, 7000. Venkat 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 into 1000, 6000. Dinesh 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 into 1000, 10,000. Sachin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10,000. So now let us see the questions. What is the scale used in the pictograph? What is the scale they have given? One note picture is nothing but 1000 rupees. This is the scale. How much is Sachin's salary? Sachin's salary is 10,000 rupees. Who earns more salary? Say 10,000 Dinesh earns as well as Sachin. So both of them are earning 10,000 rupees. Now, how much is Ramesh's salary more than Vilas? So Vilas' salary is 7,000. Ramesh's salary is 8,000. So 8,000 minus 7,000 is 1000 rupees is Ramesh earning more than Vilas. Children, 8.3 exercise. First problem. The lifespan of some animals is given as follows. Different animals are given: bear, bull, camel, dog, cat, donkey, and their lifespan. That means how many years they survive. So bear survives for 40 years, bull for 28 years, camel for 50 years, dog for 22 years, cat for 25 years, donkey for 45 years, goat for 15 years, horse for 10 years, cow for 22 years, and elephant for 70 years. So the question is you have to prepare a horizontal bar graph. So the bar graphs which you are doing it in the graph are of two types. One is called horizontal bar graph and one is called vertical bar graph. Means when these bars, when they are coming horizontal, these are called horizontal bar graphs. When they come like this, those are called vertical bar graphs. So according to the bar graph, numbers, if it is a horizontal bar graph, a number should be on x-axis and whatever is the content that is there, that should be on y-axis. If it is a vertical graph, you have to write the numbers on y-axis and then the content will be on x-axis. So in this graph, what I need to do, I have to show horizontal bar graph. To show horizontal bar graph, I need the numbers to take on x-axis and the animals' names on y-axis. So before starting this, you should think about the scale. How should we write the numbers so that it can fix in our graph sheet? Now I need to reach the age up to 70 years. So up to 70 I need to reach means on x-axis I should take 5, 5, 5 gap. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40 like this up to 90 I have taken. And every block here one animal. So first bear, then bull, then camel, then dog, then donkey, then goat, and then horse, and then cow, then elephant. So what is bear? 40 years. So here exactly at 40, I have to make a bar. So total 1 centimeter I should use it. See, this is called 1 centimeter. This block is called 1 centimeter, children. So 40 I have mentioned, and bull, how much it is? Bull has got 28 years. So 28 years means what I should do? This is 25 and this is 30. So in between 25 and 30, 28 will be there. How will you take down that 30? Let me just draw it here in a big way. See, this is 5. This is 1 centimeter. Suppose 1 centimeter is divided into 10 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So actually 25 is here. This is 25 and this is 30. So in between them I need to take 28. So 28 how you can take? See, 25, leave one line, 26. Leave one line, 27. Leave one line, 28. So this is the point that you have to take as 28. This is what I have taken it here because the graph is very small. I have explained here so that you will understand better. So 28 and bull it is. Next, after bull you have got camel, 50. So this is the 50 line, 50. Then dog, 22 years. Again 22 means suppose this is 20, 20 leave 1 21, leave 1 22. So similarly, I have got here a dog 22 here. Then cat 25 years. This is 25. So cat 25 years. And then donkey 45 years. This is 45. Okay. Next goat. Goat is 15 years. So this is 15 years line. So 15 years is here. And then horse 10 years. This is 10. So 10 is here. And then horse after horse, cow 22 years. So just like how you have done here, 22. So same way 22 also there. Then elephant 70 years. This is 70. So 70 over there. So this kind of graph is called horizontal graph. Remember one thing, children, whenever you draw the graph, you need to write the scale. So here you see the scale. On x-axis, I have taken 1 centimeter as 5 units, children. Sorry, it is not 10 units. 1 centimeter is 5 units. 1 centimeter means 5 units. And on y-axis, 1 centimeter means 1 animal. Like this, I have written the names of the animals. So I hope I am clear, children. So this is first problem. Now the second problem. The following table shows the monthly expenditure of Imran's family on various items. House rent 3,000, food 3,400, education 800, electricity 400, transport 600, miscellaneous 1,200. Construct a vertical bar graph. So you need to construct a vertical bar graph. Vertical means I told you now this is vertical bar graph. So to construct a vertical bar graph, what we need to do? I told you now. So the number should be on y-axis and the names or items should be on x-axis. So you have got house rent here, food, and then education, and then electricity, transport, and miscellaneous. On y-axis, I have taken the scale as 1 centimeter is equal to 200 units, because this will not be sufficient for me to get 3,400. So I have taken like this 200, 400, 600, 800, 1,000 like that. So expenditure on house rent is 3,000. This is house rent. 3,000 is here. So this is the bar graph for 3,000. And on food 3,400. This is 3,400. And 800 on education. This is 800. Then on electricity 400 is here. And on transport this is 600. So this is a 600 on transport. Next miscellaneous 1,200. So this is the bar graph that I have made, children. I hope I am clear. Now the third one is traveling time from Hyderabad to Tirupati by different means of transport. Car takes 8 hours, bus takes 15 hours, train takes 12 hours, and aeroplane takes 1 hour. And you need to represent the information using bar diagram. So they have not mentioned whether it is vertical or horizontal. So it's your wish. You can write in any way. Usually by using the graph, we use it in vertical way. So I have done in vertical way. So when I go for vertical way, on y-axis numbers I should write. So since they are small numbers up to 15, so I could take each one as 1 unit. So I have taken 1, 2, 3, 4 like that, the numbers. And car takes 8 hours. So this is car, 8 hours. And bus is this, 15 hours is that. And train 12 hours. So this is 12 hours and aeroplane 1 hour. So this is how the representation. And what is the scale? 1 centimeter is equal to 1 transport, whatever it is, car, bus, train or aeroplane. And on y-axis 1 centimeter is 1 hour. So this is third problem, children. Now the fourth problem, a survey of 120 students was conducted to find which activity they prefer to do in uh, their free time. So activities and number of students. Playing 25 students opted, and reading storybooks 10, watching TV 40, and listening music 10, and painting 15. This also draw a bar graph to illustrate. So any way you can do. So I have drawn vertical way. So on y-axis numbers I have taken, and on x-axis activities. So here on y-axis, since I need up to 40, that number is not reached in this graph. I have taken 5, 5, 5 in the on the x-axis. So 5, 10, 15, 20 like this I have taken. Up to 50 only I have taken because I need the number up to 40 only. So the first one, playing 25. So playing 25. Then reading books 10. Story books reading 10. And watching TV 40 members. And listening to music 10 members. And painting 15 members. So these are the graphs, children, and scale that I have used on x-axis. 1 centimeter is 1 activity, and on y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 5 units. Children, when you are doing this activities, writing the activities is very important. Units, writing the scale is very important. You need to write the scale. If you don't write the scale, your marks will be reduced. So please be careful. On x-axis, what you are taking, each block is considered as a centimeter. So 1 centimeter is how much that you have taken. That in this particular problem, I have taken activity. So I wrote 1 centimeter is 1 activity. And on y-axis, I have taken 5, 5, 5 units. So 1 centimeter is equal to 5 units. So please note it down, children. Graph is very important. You will be getting it in the essay marks. That is 8 marks problem, I think. You will be getting in that. Learn properly. With this chapter is completed. In the next class, I will be doing the next chapter.